Are you struggling to figure out this whole investing thing? Do you have a few investments, but you're quite not meeting your financial goals? That's because you don't have an investment strategy. Today we're going to talk about what is an investment strategy and how you can have one tailored to your financial goals. Let's get into it. So what is an investment strategy? An investment strategy is simply a plan. It's your personalized roadmap on when, where, and how you'll invest your money. Let's look at it like vacation planning. You wouldn't just show up to the airport and book the first flight available, right? You'd decide on a destination, plan out your budget. You'll also figure out what's the best way to get there. Investment is just like that. So here's why an investment strategy is important. Firstly, it keeps you focused on your long-term and short-term goals. Markets go up and down all the time. But to prevent making emotional decisions, a plan will keep you from derailing your progress. Let me share a quick example. You have two people, Alex and Jordan. Alex invests without a plan. He throws his money at whatever is trending. Crypto, whatever stock is trending right now, he throws his money at that. Jordan, on the other hand, he has a clear plan. He understands his risk tolerance and he diversifies his portfolio. 5 years later, whose investment do you think is performing well? 9 out of 10, it's Jordan's. So here's the takeaway. An investment strategy isn't just for financial gurus and banks. It's for everyone who wants to take control of their money and their future. Now that you understand what is an investment strategy, let's talk about how to create a good one. So stick with me and I'll walk you through it step by step. So let's dive into what makes a great investment strategy. There are a few key elements, and once you've got these, you'll be well on your way to investing like a pro. The first and most important element is clear goals. Think about it as the why behind investing. Are you saving your down payment on a house? Are you saving towards retirement? Or maybe you're building your emergency fund. Your goals will determine every decision you make. For example, if it's a short-term goal like saving for vacation next year, you might choose safer investment products like a high-yield investment account or bonds. But if it's a long-term goal like retirement, you might choose a riskier investment product like stocks because you can ride out the market fluctuation. Up next is risk tolerance. Simply, it is how comfortable are you with the ups and downs of investing. Everyone's risk tolerance is different and it depends on your financial situation and your personality. For instance, if you're someone who loses sleep every time the stock market dips, you're probably more conservative. But if you are okay with the risk associated with high returns, you can take a more aggressive approach to your investment strategy. It's all about knowing yourself. The third thing is diversification. You've heard the saying, don't put your eggs in one basket. And that's exactly it. Diversification is spreading your money across different investment products like stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds. The idea is simply if one area isn't doing well, your other investments can balance it out. Another element of a great investment strategy is timeline. How long do you plan to invest your money before you need it? For example, if you're in your 20s and you're saving towards retirement, you have a few decades before you need the money, so you can be riskier. But if you need the funds in the next 2 to 3 years, you have to be more cautious with your money. Finally, a good investment strategy includes regular reviews. Yes, regular reviews. Check in once in a while to make sure that your investment strategy still aligns with your goals, because the reality is life changes and the market changes as well. For example, you might have gotten a big promotion and you want to do some things with your money. You might want to invest a little bit more aggressively. But on the other hand, if you're nearing retirement, you might want to slow down to more stable investment, because you're going to need the funds in a few. So let's recap. An investment strategy is simply a plan. And the key elements of an investment strategy are clear goals, understanding your risk tolerance, diversifying your portfolio, knowing your timelines, and regular reviews. I hope you learned something new today and I've enabled you to be able to develop your own investment strategy. But if you need some help, I will be doing a video step by step showing you how to create your own investment strategy. Please share this with someone who needs to level up their finances. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time for another video as we navigate life together.